Good morning, Maulas entrepreneurs. Today is the start of another week. Have a great week ahead. So, I'm going to take you inside ClickFunnels now. You would have heard a lot about ClickFunnels this, ClickFunnels that. It is used for this, it is used for that. So, people who know about funnel building, they know what is ClickFunnels. People who are new, come and have a look at what is available inside the ClickFunnels. I'm going to share my screen in a moment. So I'm taking you to my ClickFunnels account and show you what are the facilities available inside. Okay, so this is my dashboard. This is my ClickFunnels dashboard. This is how it will look inside like once you log in to your account. Okay, so one funnel hacking live is coming up. Uh, their entry point to one funnel away challenge. Funnel builder secrets is available here. You can join for the affiliate bootcamp here, and then you have a training on how to write the hook, story, and offer here. And here you will get the podcasts, which are mainly on marketing secrets. Every day there is one podcast available here, and you also get access to the previous podcasts. It's a wonderful marketing secret what every day Russell Brunson gives out. And here you can check out like what are the essentials that is required before you launch your funnel. So you get almost everything inside. This is not all, okay? Now come here. There is something new called FunnelFlix Training. This is a new feature which has recently come up. I'm still on my basic plan of $97 per month, but if you are opting for $297 per month scheme, then you get accessibility to all these FunnelFlix trainings available. But those who has opted for the basic plan, they get accessibility or only limited accessibility. So let us see like what it is here. Like under success path, you have 30 days training, which is known as one funnel away training. Then the boot camp is there. Then brick and mortar is coming soon. E-commerce training. Then you have some documentaries. This Funnelflix is just like the Netflix for the entrepreneurs. Here you have a click how to 10x based on a ClickFunnels story. Then you have Funnel Hacker TV, you have Funnel Hacking Live soon coming up. You have underground operation that is behind the screen, what goes related lessons. So I have to upgrade to get accessibility to all the 4 locked ones. Now you also have copywriting and sales copy lesson trainings. Then you have trainings available on traffic secrets, YouTube traffic secrets is coming up. Then you have business strategy lessons. So one is available for me, which is on money mindset, and this is how it looks. Okay. So this is the dashboard to the Flix, and here you have all these programs, documentaries, funnel building secrets, copywriting trainings, copywriting and sales trainings, product course or offer development trainings. See, these are all offered by people, the best of the people in the industry. You have business strategies is going to come soon. Then you have personality development classes from none other than Tony Robbins. And so you have, like, it is amazing, amazing. Like if you just go to some, okay, I'll just show you this one. This is just, see, this is from Tony Robbins' private collection. And this is an in-depth session, and I'll just show you what it is. Wait 1 second. Before I jump into the course, see, it is a 7 module and has got 43 episodes of personality development from Tony Robbins, which covers almost all areas of our life in business, relationship, building wealth, focus, health, energy. Like it's an experience in itself. See, the module 1 is on funnel hacking live, module 2 on career, like how to find your true gift. Third module is on energy for life. Fourth module is on love and passion. Fifth module on the edge, which is like to lead a life filled with purpose, passion, love, direction, and strength. Sixth module is on time. Seventh module is on true wealth. So there are 7 modules spread to 43 episodes. So that is the quality of the content what is available here. Not only the quality, the depth is also there. And yes, look at the money mindset. There is another course, like it is spread to 4 modules and contains 48 episodes. It covers in detail like what are the challenges, what we face in making money, how we can grow it, how we can keep money, how about like wanting more money. So like it gets us on track now, and this training will help a person gain clarity about our desires, laser focus on our objectives to get results faster. So these kind of trainings are very, very essential in the success of an entrepreneur, in scaling up of our business to grow, and um, to even to develop ourselves as individuals, that help in building us, improving us as individuals. So this, all these things are not only about a business. And now coming to ClickFunnels, see, there is this, there are a lot of funnels available. For example, if I go to my funnels link, uh, these are all my funnels available. Okay, so for example, I'll show you what a funnel is. This is especially for newcomers, the total beginners who are inside the Marvelous Entrepreneurs group. Okay, this is these are 4 parts of a funnel, and this funnel is on viral affiliate marketing. And the opt-in page, this is the opt-in page where we collect the details of the person, like name, email address, phone number, country, address, whatever we want. Okay, this is an opt-in page, and see, it is very easy to work with. Like you have various sections, and things which only require you to click and drop. And especially like if you have a technical background, this is very easy for you to pick it up. I, being a non-techie, I took yes, I took 2 months to learn all this. So say like you have uh, sections, rows, columns, and all. Like if you want, you can add section. If you want, you can delete it, hide it. There are a lot of actions. Like all you have to do is just select this and click and drag and you can add rows and manage the rows here. So inside the rows, you can insert elements. For example, like if you want a headline, you can drop it here and then just type it. Subheading, paragraph, bullet list, image pop-up, video pop-up, audio player, forms are there, various types of forms are available. Then you have SMS sign-in, billing sign-in, then shipping cart, survey, countdown, timers. Then you can insert icons, IMG feature, navigation, FAQ, divider, progress bar, image list, pricing table, and then all the social media, then privacy note, FB comments, text, and apart from that, you can also insert custom HTML. So this is all you have to do is just click on this and then drop it here and work. That's it. And here also, like you get all these details, like you can change the background, you can insert work on the pop-ups here. If you want to see the preview, it will show how it is here. All you have to do is just save occasionally, and see, this is how format is already there. This is called template. Like all you have to do is just go replace this figure image with your product image. You go here, replace this with your video, insert your video. And here the content also is like that. Just select this and insert your content. So you get the outline of all these things, how it has to be there, because this is designed this has been designed by experts who know like what format works for what purpose. So depending on the your purpose, there are a lot of funnels available, right from collecting a simple name and email ID to complex websites and webinars, even live events. So you have all these steps, and here also like you can easily go there. You can do automation, publishing, you can know the statistics, you can add contacts. If you go to the settings, you can share it, you can um, hide this, you can store this elsewhere. And then you have funnels. Not only this, like if you want, say for example, if you want to build new funnels, you have the option of selecting it from here. uh, so these are all the various templates what are available. See, can you see various templates are available depending on your industry. For example, if you are a professional service, you can set this and you will get the funnels required for that. If you are running an e-commerce, you will get, for example, click e-commerce. So you have a lead magnet funnel, you have bridge funnel, sales letter, daily deal, storefront, squeeze page, video sales, live demo. I know these terms are pretty new to the newbies. I'll explain that some other day what it means. But these are all for one purpose. For example, if you want to generate leads, there are one particular type of funnels. See, these funnels are meant for generating leads. If you want to sell a product, then these are the type of templates available. If you want to create an event, then okay, there are no funnels for e-commerce event, but if it's there for authors, speakers, and coaches, they can go for like event. See, they can go for a summit, webinar, auto webinar, product launch, and for other type. So depending on your industry and your purpose, you get all these. And like, for example, I want to retail. Okay, I want to sell a product. So I have all these. Now this is a storefront funnel. You just select this and you will get the choices, and you also get the directions like how this basically works. Apart from that, see, you have some free templates and some paid templates, so you can decide like which one you want and you can work on that. All you have to do is just click this and it will go to your funnel, your dashboard, your page, collection of funnels, and from there you can work. So and then like you can do follow up, you have all the various documents and all everything needed here. And then like this is pretty vast. So this was just a quick sneak peek into what is inside the ClickFunnels account. So hope you people enjoyed this session. Once again. Okay. So if you have any questions, you want to know anything in specific regarding ClickFunnels, you can post your questions on the comment box. And if you want detailed trainings on any aspect of ClickFunnels, you can request it. I'll make separate videos on those and uh, post it here for you. So till we meet next time, stay marvelous.